Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Leadtek Winfast RTX 4070 Ti Hurricane graphics card. So friend, the card matches the design of RTX 4090 and 4080 variants, which are also equipped with 3 fans with a large X-shaped shroud. Size-wise, the RTX 4070 Ti is just as thick as the 8102 or 103 base models with the 3.5 slot requirement, and it is slightly shorter and narrower, but still a large card. And it one looks closely at a render of a design, one can see it uses a small O-shaped PCB design, and this board is also small. It does not even cover half of the card's width, and a quick check tells that this is probably the same design Inno3D used for their cards, and in short, this is an NVIDIA reference PCB. And friend, this is a semi-custom graphics card with NVIDIA reference PCB but a completely modified cooler, and RTX 4070 Ti NVIDIA made no reference cooler, therefore there is only NVIDIA made PCB available. And friend, it has a base clock speed of 2310 MHz and boost clock speed of 22610 MHz, and memory speed is 21 Gbps, and memory configuration 12G GDDR6X memory, and bus interface is PCI Express 4.0. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.